Hey guys, it's Ian from Shopping Express. Before we get started, I actually want to give a big shout out and thank you to everyone who attended Madman Anime Festival Sydney. We really enjoyed being there as a company, and I hope you guys enjoyed the activities that we had to offer. And hopefully we'll be able to see you guys at other events as well. So let's get started. Now, we don't actually know how many keycaps are in here, which is why we're doing this video, to count it and sort it out. Not only because it prevents people from cheating, but it also gives us an excuse to force you guys to watch our videos, because that's how evil we are. I actually don't know how to do this. Maybe we should pull out all the confetti out first. I'm not too sure. And we've dropped the keycap already. Give me one second. Alright, so we have our first keycap. I don't know if you guys can see that. Lighting. So it's an F12 keycap from a Thai house set, which we will be selling soon. So keep an eye out on social media for that. Alright, there's one. Oh man, I'm pretty sure there's like at least maybe 200. I'm actually not too sure. Maybe I should just take it all out before. Ooh, yep. Let's take it all out before. Oh god. I don't know if that pile of confetti has any keycaps in it, but we'll have to take a look later. Alright, let's sort this pile out. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Oh, another one. I think this pile should be good. Alright. So here's all the keycaps. Oh man, this is going to be a pain to sort out. I'm pretty sure there's around 200, if I'm not mistaken. An educated guess of about 200, maybe 200 or under 200, around there. Maybe we should just move all this to one side. And I'm going to start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at this point, I've counted 100, and at the moment it looks like, look at the pile. I'd say there's probably over 200. We'll keep on counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 289 keys. My original guess was about 200, and I was completely off. As you can see, the keycap sizes are a little bit different, so it's a little bit more difficult to kind of guess. But yeah, so whoever got 289, you have won a keyboard, a SteelSeries red switch. I hope you enjoy that prize. Oh, if no one got it, it would be the closest one. So I'll be checking back and I'll let you guys know. So good luck to the winner. So here's the prize, a SteelSeries Apex M750 10 keyless mechanical keyboard with a compact design and RGB lighting. Thank you so much to SteelSeries for sponsoring this giveaway, and congratulations to the person who got 289 or closest to 289. I hope you enjoyed this keyboard, and that's it for me for today. Hopefully I will see you at the next event, and see you in the next video.